Hello, friends. It's Shara. Thanks for stopping by. Happy Valentine's Day. I know it's Valentine's Day in the Northern Hemisphere. It was Valentine's Day yesterday here. We had some special treats for the kids, so it was a lot of fun. We had a great dinner, and then they got special Valentine's Day treats, so that was fun. So it was my birthday on Monday, and today is Valentine's Day in the States, and yesterday was Valentine's. So this is sort of a birthday Valentine's Day baby for me. And this is, it was a spur of the moment sort of purchase, and she came from Poland, which is where my last baby came from, which I think is quite funny because it's a different artist. This is an artist that I've had babies from before. She's an amazing artist. It's Anna Danowska from Poland, and her nursery name is Reborn Gallery. Here's a little stuffy that she sent with the baby. It's a little puppet, and it says Reborn Gallery and then Anna Danowska. And it's a little kitty cat, little puppet. So cute. I think I'll let my granddaughters have this. That'll be very cute for them to play with their, with their dolls. And so there's a few things that came in the box, but this did come uniquely to me because we were concerned. I had a baby that I ended up having to send back when I first got here that had been cut into from customs. And so Anna was concerned that the baby would be damaged on going through customs. So she sent baby completely disassembled, everything separate, the glass beads, the stuffing, the limbs, everything was separate. And so I've assembled the baby, and so there really wasn't a way to do a box opening because it was just, everything was in parts. But I got the baby all assembled, and oh my gosh, she is amazing. I am so in love with her. And it's an amazing sculpt. And then Anna just did amazing work with her. This is what Anna sent along with the baby. So here's the paperwork. She always sends a book. This is like the Ministry of Health in Poland. A book that all children would have with their immunizations and their growth and things like that. It's in Polish, so I don't really understand it, but I know that's what it is, and I just think it's kind of fun that she fills it out and she sends it with her babies, and then the rest of the paperwork is in here, and we'll go over that in a minute. There's a little pink pair of socks and a little peach colored pair of ribbed pants. It says Desert Life, and it's very cute. And then this is so adorable. This is a little bunting. I love the print on the inside. It's peachy pink with white polka dots, and then it's got little mice heads all over it. So cute, and it's all Sherpa, and it snaps. There's one button and then it snaps. It's got these little pockets. Of course, it's summer here, so I don't know that she'll wear it while we're here, but it's so cute and so cozy for colder weather. Super, super cute. Put this back. And then this is a little newborn photography, sort of like a costume. It's a little pink or a purple tutu with a really pretty purple satin bow. The purple here is more of a, more like magenta, and then this is more like, true purple. And then it has a cute little flower and peacock feather details in a headband. So cute. So it's cute for newborn photography. And one of my daughter's friends is expecting a new baby girl in April, and I think I'll leave this with her for her newborn baby to have, you know, for photographs. I actually have this same set at home, the same tutu and feather headband. So I think I'll leave this one for my daughter's friend. And then there's a couple of onesies, a little pink onesie, and then the purple hearts and purple, I guess it's like hearts and I guess they are all hearts. They kind of are sort of an abstract design of hearts, but they're hearts or teardrops in purple, red, green. So that looks really cute with the tutu. So I'll probably give this onesie to my daughter's friend to wear with the tutu for her newborn photos. And then there's some extra diapers. And I only have baby dressed in a bib and a onesie because baby is so gorgeous and so stunning. I didn't want to cover her up at all. And then this is a cute little blanket. It's actually like a little bunting or a little swaddle blanket. It's a thick quilt, but it has Velcro, and you fold it up, put baby in, and then you can either leave the ends open and it Velcros closed. So that's really cute. The other babies that I've had from Anna, she sends a similar blanket. They're very cute. I love them. So we're gonna go through baby slowly, and she is so gorgeous. It's very overcast here today, but I think I have a good angle and I shouldn't be creating too much shadow, and hopefully you guys have enough light to see baby. Look at these. This is a sculpt I have not seen in person. It's a newer sculpt. It's like close to being brand new, and I just love this sculpt. This sculptor is probably one of my favorite sculptors. I mean, they're all my favorite sculptors, but this is just a beautiful baby. Look at those feet. And it's a good size baby. I think she's 21 inches. When she arrived, everything was perfect. The package hadn't been opened at all by customs. But I think just in travels, her box was quite crushed. And so I think she got jostled around a bit and her magnet came loose from inside. But I don't generally use the magnetic pacifiers too much, but it's such a cute pacifier. It's a cupcake on the front, and then it's pink and has polka dots on the back part that goes up against the face. So cute. I love that little, and it says something babies. I don't know, Conpol babies. It's very cute pacifier. But like I said, her magnet fell out. So let's see if we can see a hand. Oh, here we go. There's one hand. It's sort of in the little pinky is up and the thumb is inside, but it's just a soft little fold over hand. It's not splayed, but it's not a fist. And like I said, she's a nice sized baby. She's a good 21 inches. So she's more like the size of a few weeks old or maybe a month old. So cute. So let's see this next. I don't know if you're going to be able to see the next hand. Oh, here's a cute little neck bottle that I keep here in New Zealand, filled with fake formula. This is actually fabric softener, and I think it's the perfect shade for formula, but it's perfect. This one, it has two little hearts for Valentine's Day. So cute. Super cute. Let's put this down here. Pull this hand down. And this hand is again in a fist, more of a closed fist. So beautiful. So beautiful. And then I have her in this cute little bib that Anna sent, and just a cream colored sleeveless onesie. So here we go. I'm sure her hair will be a little bit staticky. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. So here she is. She is the Erica or Eric by Joanna Kazmierczac. And oh my gosh, she is just so gorgeous. Those ears, look at these little ears. Look at that ear. And I love the way that Anna does the detail. She does the faux opening on the inside of the ears and on the inside of the nose. And it's just so realistic. And the hair is beautiful. So beautiful. So here she is. She's just wearing this cute little bib. So gorgeous. I really love her. So here is her paperwork. There was a little note from Anna. It says, "Thank you, Shara, for choosing my art." And then here is the birth certificate. It's a certificate of authenticity from Anna Danilska herself. And it has a, so it has the birth information, you know, the birth certificate information, the size, the weight. It's probably not that accurate since I re-weighted the baby since she came completely apart. But it shows the date of purchase and where the baby went. And then there's a place to track that on Anna's birth certificate. So I think that's really nice to track where this baby goes. And then here's her first COA from Joanna Kazmierczac. And she is number, I think it says 1216 out of 1550. So she is very beautiful. And it was kind of nice to weight her exactly how I like my babies stuffed and weighted. I left her very floppy, able to pose really well. She has a nice weight to her, a nice floppy head, and she has really gorgeous newborn hair. It's just perfect newborn hair. Probably needs to be conditioned a little bit and brushed. She's been traveling, but it's still very beautiful. So here she is, my little beauty girl. And I'm really pleased with her. I think she's gorgeous. So I hope you all are enjoying your Valentine's Day, and I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your week. And thanks for stopping by and seeing my girl. And I will let you know what her name is soon. I hope you all are doing well. As always, we are sending you wishes of love and light, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.